You guys, Promise Epoxy and Nita's Fluid Woodworks is doing a giveaway. Do you remember the piece that I did for the chiffon maker mind? Do you remember that? That was kind of a big deal. It was a big deal to me. Anyways, so we're going to be doing 2 giveaways actually. The first one, somebody is going to win this gorgeous piece that I made in the maker mind.
Wow.
And the second one is going to be a maker bundle.
What?
And this is actually called Nita's Chiffon Bundle. So in that bundle, and that bundle can be purchased as well. I will put the link in my link tree so that way you guys can get there super easy, okay? So in the chiffon bundle that you have a chance to win, it's gonna be 1.5 gallons of deep pour resin, 36 ounces of tabletop resin, Promise Epoxy's polish and cleaner, and the purple dye that I used in this piece. Gorgeous? Okay. How do you enter? Super easy. You don't gotta buy nothing. You don't gotta do nothing. And hey, we're not gonna be reaching out to you in weird ways, okay? So don't do that. All you gotta do to enter, and you have to do all 3 of these, go to the Maker Mind YouTube video, leave a comment. I don't care if it's an emoji or just a hey, hello, whatever. Leave a comment on the Maker Mind video. Follow me on YouTube and follow Promise Epoxy on YouTube. You can get to all of those places through my link tree in my bio. Good luck, you guys. I'm so freaking excited. I love giving y'all stuff. I love giving y'all stuff. Okay, good luck.